Welcome to KIDDO, fun learning for little ones.
Hello kids, let's learn rainbow colors. One of the color of rainbow is red color. Another color of rainbow is orange color. Yellow is the another color of the rainbow. Another rainbow color is green color. Blue color is one of the color of rainbow. Another rainbow colors is indigo color. Violet is another color of the rainbow. All 7 colors together make a rainbow.
Thank you for learning and playing with KIDDO. See you again.